What's poppin', y'all? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new restock video. I am super excited. Even though this restock is a little bit smaller than a normal restock, I am excited for all the slimes. We have about 5 different new ones and they're going to be super litty. So as always, we are doing the buy one get one 30% offer. So yeah, I kind of forgot what I was saying. The first order is going to win a free 8-ounce slime, and then also the largest order of the restock, as always, is going to win the free 32-ounce, which is pretty cool. Alright, so the first slime in the restock is called Sweater Weather. This one's really cool. It's actually a DIY clay slime with cloud cream, so each layer is different. We have a brown cloud cream, pink clay, a raspberry colored cloud cream, and then orange clay on top of that. And it's super cool because it's something different. You get 2 pieces of clay instead of 1, and it's like kind of sandwiched differently. I just think it's really cool. It's actually like peppermint cream, and it represents the little sweater that you saw on the picture there, and it's pretty cool. I really love the color when it's all mixed together. It kind of reminds me of berries for some reason, and I just love that, and it's pretty cool to inflate as well. It inflates a ton. I really wanted to make a slime inspired by a really cool pattern of sweater, just because I have been in the sweater weather kind of mood, you know. It's been really cold here and I've been wearing like a different sweater every single day for the past like 4 days, so I was like, you know what, we need a sweater type slime. It's the time. Next up, we have Blue Gummy Bear, and this is one of my personal favorites from this restock here because of the texture. I forget how much I love gummy textures, and the scent of this one. It's probably the best scent in this restock, no caps, period. It smells really good. It's actually a blend that I blended in together. It smells mostly like acai berry and gummy bears, which smells good, but there are different scents in there as well, but that's like the main notes in there. And I know that kind of sounds weird, but it sounds, oh my god, it smells really good, I promise. This is definitely like the best scent in the restock. Just Peachy is a slime that you might have seen on my Instagram already, because I actually showed you all the beginning process of how to make it until it was finished. So that was kind of cool. I've never done that before. This here is a jelly bingsu bead hybrid slime, so it's super crunchy and super soft as well. Very nice and stretchy, and it's packed with a bunch of glittery bingsu beads, some glitter. There are also foam beads in there as well, added in just for looks and texture. And this is also scented like peaches, which smells really good. We are finally bringing back Holden slime. It has been like over a year probably since we stocked this slime, and I don't know why we didn't. I did update the texture, so it's more of a mud mask texture. It's a buttercream slime, so there is instant snow and clay. However, it's a little bit more clay heavy, yet a little bit more moisturizing at the same time. I don't know how to really explain it. It's softer than mud mask was. However, it's the same recipe, just a little bit more clay, if that makes sense. I don't know if I just totally like threw y'all for a loop, but that is what is in my mind right now. I really love this slime so much, especially with our new labels. It has a picture of my baby, and I hope y'all love it so much because I love my baby. Also, I kind of forgot to tell y'all that it definitely is scented. It actually scents, oh my god, it smells like oatmeal milk and honey, which is the scent of Holden's shampoo as well. So this is what Holden often smells like. So it's super authentic, and I love the warm gray color that it comes out to. I normally don't like gray slimes, but this one is pretty cool because it's not like a bluish or like a super dark gray. It's more like a warm toned gray. I don't really know how to explain it, but you can see it for your own eyes here. Of course, no restock is the same without Chanel No. 2 and Baja Blast, my best seller. Chanel No. 2 is a thick and glossy, bubblicious bubblegum scented slime. You can see the gloss clearly in this clip. It is so amazing. I love it so much. This is a great slime if you are like a beginner with slime, if you're not really sure that you like slime, or if you've just been wanting to like test it out, because it's super, super thick and it's not sticky at all, and it doesn't melt fast either, so the maintenance is super low on this one, and it smells really good. Baja Blast is a really cool slime in my shop. It's my second bestseller and does very, very well in the restocks. This one here is actually like a mix of two different slime textures. That's why I like to call it a hybrid textured slime. So it kind of represents an icy slime and a cloud dough. It is clear based as well, clear glue based. So it's really cool because when you fluff it up, the color becomes a little bit more pale. And then when you let it sit, the color like deepens and becomes dark again. It's super, super fun. And it's also scented, of course, like a Baja Blast soda, which is basically like Mountain Dew, but with like tropical notes and blue raspberry. It's amazing. And of course, last but not least, we had to hit y'all with a DIY clay slime. So this is apple cider donuts. It's really cool. It comes with 3 clay donuts that you get to add yourself and a little apple charm. And then of course, an 8-ounce slime. This one is a clear base slime scented like apple butter and not like apple cider, because I like the apple butter scent a little bit more. I think it even smells like apple cider a little bit more. I don't know. It's kind of weird. But yeah, I really love the color of this. It's like an orangey, almost brown kind of color. And it's really, really cool, especially in the sunlight. And then you get to mix in the donuts, and it really feels like you're playing with melted caramel, if that makes sense. Like where there's caramel, like if you just melt it and you get to play with it. I don't know, that's kind of weird, but that's just what I think. It smells really good. It's a great texture, especially once you add in that clay, and it's really fun, cute for fall. Alrighty, y'all, that is pretty much it for this video. I really hope you all enjoyed it and found something that you plan on snatching up super fast. Don't forget that the first order is going to win a free 8-ounce slime, and the largest order is going to get a free 32-ounce slime. And of course, all slime is buy one, get one 30% off. So snatch up some deals, honey. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!